Okay, on today's lesson what I want to talk about the weldment or your weld test piece that you're going to complete, and this is how it needs to be completed for your weld assessment. Now your weld assessment piece consists of 4 pieces of plate 5mm thick by 200mm long. Of course 2 of these we're going to need to apply a weld preparation for the butt weld. Okay, so there are your 4 pieces of plate. And what we're going to do, we're going to tack it together. The first one you're going to tack together, you're going to T-fillet. When you tack it in the T-fillet, you have to measure it, make sure it's exactly in the centre, then also tack one side with a slight offset so it pulls it back, then check it with an engineer's square, like this, to make sure when you're ready, it's square, and it's equal down the plate. And once you've got that one completed, then what we're going to do, the next joint is going to be a corner to corner joint, and it's got to be again 90 degrees. We can use the engineer's square, and the plate itself doesn't go like that, it's got to go, as it says, exactly corner to corner. Then you leave a slight gap in there of about 0.5 mm to 1 mm. I'll show you on the finished component. So looking at this one here, we've got your first piece, your T-fillet, down there like that, 2 tacks underneath, and you're only going to weld on the top edge. Your corner piece is put together down here, corner to corner. You should be able to see a root penetration gap down there. You can see there again, it's 90 degrees. And the next one with your weld preparations on is going to be your butt weld, and you're putting that together like that, and you've got to make sure that it's perfectly flat. Okay, and that is the weld component you are going to produce as part of your assessment. Whether you're doing MIG, whether you're doing manumetal arc, it is the same size component. So it's all about preparation is key, is making sure that when you do it, you get your weld prep, you tack it up, you've got about a 1 mm gap down there to allow for penetration. On your corner joint, you've got about a 1 mm to 0.5 mm gap all the way down there to allow for penetration. And of course you've got your T-fillet. Now one thing you've got to note is all the welds go on the top edge. So when you look at the component like this, you're looking at your T-fillet weld, your open corner weld, and your butt weld. Thank you.